Today we're going to be talking about skincare as it relates to acne. Yes, I definitely remember having that fluctuations in our hormones and those acne blemishes that come up, and also dealing with young girls right now, the same thing. So don't worry, I've got you. Today we're going to talk about what you too can do for those bumpy irritations or those hormonal fluctuations. So definitely want to stick around to hear all of that juicy information today. Be sure to hit subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. Well, the first essential oil that I think is amazing for all things skin is tea tree. Tea tree oil is naturally antibacterial and antiviral and helps clean those surfaces of the skin. So every morning and every night, just 1 or 2 drops on a cotton ball to really purify that area after you're done with your normal skincare routine. You're gonna love that. That helps quite a bit. I know some of you may not prefer the smell of tea tree oil. You can combine it maybe with a lavender, with 1 drop lavender, 1 drop tea tree, and that'll help. You're gonna absolutely love the way your skin glows. After you start using it consistently, it's gonna help purify those areas and also the blackheads. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to get started with essential oils today. We would love to help you right there at roxysaran.com. Another essential oil that is a favorite for all things skin, especially help drying up those blemishes, is Clary Sage. Now, Clary Sage is known to help balance out hormones. So when we have those crazy hormone fluctuations, especially in our teenage years or maybe in our mid-years, ladies, some of us deal with that. Clary Sage is an amazing essential oil to help with things for skin. So again, 1 or 2 drops of Clary Sage on a cotton ball every morning and every night as part of your normal skincare routine. So once you have a clean, clear face, go ahead and do that all over your skin. You're gonna love the way it feels, and it smells amazing. The next essential oil that is great for all things skin is Frankincense Essential Oil, and a lot of ladies have great experiences just with frankincense. You can add it 1 or 2 drops to your moisturizer every morning and every night, or again, just like the previous oils we mentioned, you can put a drop or 2 on a cotton ball and help purify that area. Frankincense is powerful because not only is it anti-aging, but it is an anti-inflammatory. So it'll help really calm that area. A lot of times we're picking at our faces, touching our faces too much, and causes that inflammation. So you're gonna love Frankincense Essential Oil. Another tip for you is Zindekrine oil in a soft gel. Zindekrine Essential Oil helps with the endocrine system, right? It also helps flush out toxins that we may have floating all over our body. So 1 soft gel, you'll take that twice a day, morning and night. It'll help flush out toxins and leave behind more beautiful and pure looking skin. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com where you too can get started with essential oils today. You can join with a starter set there, or if you just want to purchase 1 or 2 items that we mentioned today, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. Another favorite of our family recently is Yarrow Palm Essential Oil, but in a capsule, Yarrow Palm capsules. And it is healing from the inside out. My daughters take 1 every morning and 1 every night, and it has clinically studied extracts and powerful blend of essential oils. They're certified pure, tested grade, and wonderful, powerful benefits that are healing from the inside out, antioxidant support, and leaves behind really healthy, luminous, and glowing skin, really an irresistible glow from the inside out. So we love the new Yarrow Palm soft gels at our house. Okay, and then what if you're looking for skincare? Well, doTERRA has a great skincare line called HD Clear. It is a skincare set that has 3 components. One of them is a foaming facial wash that's not too drying, it's just very balancing and mild. It also has a HD Clear moisturizer that adds just a little bit of balancing moisturizer to your face. A lot of times you get something over the counter for acne and it dries out your face too much, and it starts a very vicious cycle of your body really producing even more oil to counteract. So what we do with the HD Clear is that it really is a balancing line that works great for foaming wash, moisturizer, as well as a roller of HD Clear oils that are amazing for all things skin and helping balance out that acne. So check that out. You guys will love that. My girls use the Virage skincare line in addition to the oils that we mentioned previously, and that seems to work really well for them. So I hope this was helpful to you. Be sure to comment below and let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to answer those for you. Go to roxysaran.com and get started with essential oils today. We'd love to help you right there. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. We hope to see you in our next video. We'll be talking about are you confused about all of the different doTERRA soft gels? How many drops are in a soft gel and how do they even work? So we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.